politicians. No. Won't many politicians enjoy okay. So I say, now me say they be abronya this and make allegations about me. Say anytime be a medu Ghana be I'm going to prison. No. Ghana prison. Who wants to go to Ghana prison? Who wants to go to Ghana prison? Oh, be no person about prison in Africa. And I can come into prison or Hamburg, Hamburg. Now Ghana prison, there no way. It's more one me to mission me say I can't mean yeah. And then uko midin, uko internet is not uko midin. Joyce is your mensa. You only see bad things. Scammer, thief, liar. And as people say, onu ye bibi, onu ye jumebi. Sorry. Na say okohu sanya me ewo internet so a. Why no be taking me serious? Me asima me way. Me na fufa me ni mo mudi dada. Eni mebusuafo. Enye na fufa me share mo 2-3 years so. Me ka me na fufa me won mo for the past 10 years. Omo kwa na sa o ka me ho asem a, omo nim ni paban me ye. They can defend me and say Joyce inti sir. Me obi a me metina ha me praise me ho. But and this is for some kind of people only omo ye adwuma de omo pay free ho no omo nya wie a then no me jao omo jao se ko. You understand? Omo no go into contract cra there was some way man they will not do it for you. Na nyakopo ampa bone. Mom say end this more opposition. Na opposition na mako no se mo anya munia me yie mo betina opposition forever. Anything for say yesi Sa benukra ebu ni saying say ukotu a wo hwe watch hold the child well, don't just hold the head, let her come close to you. Enti ukotu ho na wo hwe unyonkoto no ure fi se obi so e hwe woto tama mi so na me music director bi awo nyum bi aya na metuma no o Nigeria ni na wo Nigeria nyum bi o see you dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. Also kutu ona o hwe meto no. O re fi say obefu fro so e hwe oto. E hwe sinega. Ye fia. Ene de wabetena Facebook esu. E say nkrofo town ni ade. Master mu ba abontin 2016. E fia. Wo your ba to send me. Wait to me and phone. And Fresa Joyce, a dear pa na ekoso. Oba besia. And I offer phone, say obey me interview. Obua me wedding mouth because me share with that. I just respected you as a journalist or whatever you call yourself. And I decided to me grant you interview if you are nigga. And I odidi matem poto. A friend me say me a cromfo. The boyfriend who ye me Ghana me ne me ba prince no who ye. That boy ni who ye. Who if you are queer? I got na UTV. A year program FM home. I see me I'm a killer. I have killed my boyfriend. Obia me hu nipa ewu. A me di yaw no. Oba besia e to send me. Na kwatena ho ye program. Sada na ho ye program na me hwe no. Unu dia me ye. Unu dia me ye. Me mbeka no bi aka se me na mayo bibi. I said in my heart, say you will never find peace. Because oh yeah program. I for be home. And I also be one somewhere, even a case like a murder. Say obi nipa hu ewu. Say want to me if you did not wish me well and I say mourn with me if you don't know anything about me. I didn't know what's a program. Now I say me ku my boyfriend. And then HIV program back up and I have become the most terrible person in Ghana because of just one program I did. And now offer baby Joyce in here. And I Joyce here from 4. And oh Bella, why? Play with her. Try to do something with her and she will not cry. You can carry her, you can hold her, you can play with her. And then she will not cry. Because of only one program, I'm sacrificing me who and now ko baby Joyce is this, and I Joyce what is, and I Joyce what is no their man boyfriend away. And I drum in madam forbidden come. Madam for no Hamburg her. And all can say Joyce. They be me defend you. Or say Joyce. Nkrofo ekasa de bia me defendo. Ene ye se wo ace na wo de eku obi. Ena me ka kire ne se woni bibi. Next time bia no, se obi be kasa asem ne kire wa. Bisa no. Se ye di ace to me so be 13 years or se 14 years ni no. Me na ace no wa me hunu me ewu. Nkola na me nyinsa omo ewo omo no, a omo da me moje mu, a me wo omo no. O me nya ace ni bi ewu. Na boyfriend on me be da for how many days keke no. A we wu no no be nya ace ewu jame. This is not common sense. Eno dancing. Abronya DC has every right to say I have $3 million. And for that matter no, me di mina esi Kotoka International Airport obe me achimiatu. He has every right. I didn't see American sir because Angela L. Adas, Dr. Angela L. Adas, who was the former Ghana AIDS Commission boss. Sama me, time I'm when me sign a contract and I was just a little girl. Just 23 years old girl. I didn't know anything about say only because I need contract or say me call for lawyer. The minimum say my whole country me mama so me person me ye AIDS program now, me person me this savior amount for. And I me mama say never. She's still crying. Oh Bella. And I me mama catch them say never, don't go and do it. But me see me mama. Yeah, it's better you stand with her a bit. And I mama catch them say mommy inquire sa AIDS program no. Apart from that, you know, say me call for lawyer. Na ma church ni say contract am kwa sign ni nti o ma me advice no. I didn't seek any advice. And Angela invited me in the office. You can't be behavior here no. And I'm say what is about? Or church and which me say contract ni ni. Share. Say nkrofo ki kasa you before Timothy. Let me tell you one reason. One reason. So only I beni ya dia. But na kuma ni na shame. Obi obe kasa before Timothy bia, let me tell you the reason. Me de bia me ka sa bosum e wo me fie. Me papa fie Togo. Se nka me ti Togo anka me na me ti sa bosum na no. Me ntwa asam ntu ni paso. Se me ni odili na asam aba. Na dia wonye ye no. Na ma be kasa waye. Se na se ya no me wo ya me nya problem yi. Me ne me ba ne papa asem bi ba ye. Na ngrofo susu se o me kan se won se normally be ma ehia oba hia oba obeka ni yire hu nsem bone ya kire ni new girlfriend no ngrofo susu se bia ma me ka se na o se ni yire ai say o so ko ja ni yire abeware me. The man never promised me marriage. The man never told me anything bad about his wife. Therefore se me ni nya problem na no nche se me ko twa asem to ne so. That is me. Se me Joyce only me ye business. Na so ka say Joyce square sadie mama mama 10 cedis wo ka chem so be mama 10 cedis na me koya ade ne ba na so unya mfaso ka ne say 200 cedis a many brade. You see how my life is so simple. My life very very simple. I don't envy anybody in this life. So in your business, then after everything me see my 10 cedis in the crime who yan can make 20 cedis. I will take my 10 cedis and go. But so only make 10 cedis no. Evie na me yedwuma ne ma. Na aka se kwasia ko na me ni 10 cedis bia de ma wa. And ye obi abeti yenka. Eno sa no, wo a wo hwe me do be ka se me yin pabone ni. Me nya ni pabone ni. Ye mbu ni pa kwasia bu eya. Kwasia bu eya pa. Now you Dr. Angela L. Adas. De bia me bo Angela di amusimu ni mu no. No, and Professor John Evans Atta Mills, may he so rest in peace. Ofano as Ghana AIDS Commission boss. That is her name. You can Google her name and you see her pictures and everything about her. And now Angela, who catch them say Joyce. You bet mount 800 cedis. That is connected 8 million. Asama Mike, if there is any journalist watching me today, I beg of you. I know some journalists are hardworking. I have seen a lot of journalists in Ghana who are really hardworking. Good. But there are most of the journalists are just lazy. They are lazy. They don't hold our leaders accountable. We don't hold our leaders accountable for anything. Each other send me by obia fa pen ni paper. No ma try the open. No, there are two internet so. Yeah, Ugagu Joyce, Obenye Bibia kind, Obenye Skat to Nibotum. Now, so you are destroying me, you have destroyed me. Why, Muya Yam, I mean, depression, echo that hospital. Minya depression, we and one, I'm Sambe can't send me a bodeni. And yes, she. Me name Dr. Kra will be a seer, or declare, say, Obinya Semnas or a depressor, not just any penny a bodeni. Now, so Ghana for me, the damn no, to me, so missing no problem. Still, I'm living my life. I do whatever I want to do to make my life better, and I try as much as possible to make myself happy. Until somebody in some ever to me so, I'll be a bear me cry and say no. So be a bear me. Nipani the or with a clear mind. Now the uncrophobic Becky can't nipano. I be money panic crass in a cheek. And you know, I live my life like that. Meaning set me as mammy with me no beer. Me no beer, me ni obia. Because if it's a me band papa crown, I'm in a way, no. So when whom is me and Pabonini, I can crown on Pono. Yeah, I am evil. Evil Joyce. All because of what? One HIV program I did. Let me come to the contract. This is what the contract said. Contract in it say, me sign a contract 5 years with the Ghana AIDS Commission. Every month, me 800 cedis. That is 8 million. The contract said I will get 3-bedroom apartment. And yet for free. Is she crying? Not for free. And I said, and yes, they check me, but rented place for 2 years. After 2 years, they will renew it. Good. 800 cedis, 3-bedroom apartments rented. And what else? They said they cannot give me a car. I want to be mommy car. And you know, say me ko program bia. Me bra Ghana AIDS Commission office. Na me can't show me say me ko program. Ghana AIDS Commission for the car that family ako. That is what the contract said. And I sign a contract. And I sure say me programs. And see programs, you know, me call kind of say me call workshop. Workshop, you go for training to learn more about HIV and do so many things. Ghana for motion in there. See, come in Ghana AIDS Commission, Fidelity Bank. That is where I save. Yan from in African in shame in same said Joyce. Busumi has to bet you 8 million. That is coming to my account more of Fidelity Bank. So if there is any journalist watching me, if Abronya DC, wherever you are, I am telling you, watch me. And it's not funny pa, and Sumanipa, no one call Ghana AIDS Commission ho. Now account to crack Ghana AIDS Commission for this $3 million in 2 months. Papa check Ghana for. Still, I don't doubt you. And yet possible, Mrs. Ubiom, it is possible, say, Ghana AIDS Commission for any parliament, I could sign it, say, yeah, they say, Bema Joyce. Possible, pa. Because, as some see some people working at the AIDS Commission now they can't try me. So before I'm family as AIDS ambassador, no, I'm called parliament. They debated on my program. And there are other 3 people. They debated. Say, me dine rented house, me dine, and some amount of money be, and 8 million kind of was here, the mommy. It may be. Don't misquote me. I said, maybe it is possible, sir. Parliament with Ghana AIDS Commission, or my signing say, you better fear my Joyce. You better my Joyce car. And I say, Bema Joyce $1 million. And I say, Bema Joyce $3 million. Sacrifice your life for the country. People are dying of AIDS. Now, I'm going to sign a contract in the Now, Joyce, Jimmy. Joyce with a good heart. Joyce who always want to save people. Came to sign 800 cedis contract. Only 1 year. Within 1 year, no. Now me just say, ya hear me who posters, me billboard, unam kroma me dasu, akra. Ami kita kola awo minsim. Samoti masi. Ami kita kola awo minsim. Na moya me books, moya me who books. Na moya me who advert. I remember the advert. In the advert I said, I'm a mother of 2. My name is Joyce, and I'm HIV positive. That was the advert. And the advert was everywhere. Na adverts in our baby. It's minam chroma. Obianim said, that is it. For how much? 8 million. Now contract na me sign na musi 5 years so. Me be cheche mu de e course. Ghana for mu bia mani sa Ghana Aids Commission. Nyese me ni omu asem ti me be ka asem ato omu so. Say me asem me ba be ken if it's a liar. Me angasa me krom bosom na me gini di no. It should kill me. Now who Dr. Angela Ella does under the NDC administration. Dr. Angela Ella does under NDC administration signed contract with me that I should be responsible for educating the youth in the schools. 2, to educate mothers living with HIV. You understand? Now, sir, Nkrofo the letter about Ghana Aids Commission. Sir, we are so and so school or church, and we are requesting that Joyce Mensah come to our school, our church, blah blah blah, to educate us. In Crawford letter by 100, Ghana Aids Commission will not mind them. Unfortunately for me, no ambassadors in year 4. Now so they be a letter bar. Joyce didn't want that because of how I present myself. Mystery, minimuti. I have a story. You understand? It's a share story now. It encourages people to listen. I talk about sex. I talk about unprotected sex. So most of the school share Uko Cape Coast. Uko Cape Coast. If I'm not lying, school be any Cape Coast and me nice ho. There is no secondary school ever Cape Coast main core. Infancy man, infancy pim, at this school. Just some of the schools now I have gone to over 600 schools in Ghana. All the traveling I was doing, majority was around Ghana, not even outside Ghana. Now me sacrificing me to me go programs me be fia na ma bre ya mama to me ba na be aduane amame. Me say ma I'm too tired I can't obviously oh ye nedi kakra. Enti me ambassador me very slim pa because me didi I didn't have time for my own body. Because me started program now HIV cases were reducing. And one thing that was giving me happiness was that now me the wawa me ho onim. Me the wawa me ho say like me to me aye bibiama it has been able to save people. So I was proud. Let me tell you why they terminated my contract. Contract in say so be the letter Basa member programmer. Aids Commission for the Nibeko. They have drivers, they have cars. Now so seminar program na me free Aids Commissioner. Omeka chem se kan ni ho. Da me ni obi beka sa no aka ho no omeka chem se driver ni ho ade me beko program na se. Da driver ho no omeka chem se fuel any car ni mo. Now so makwaji millions of dollars from the Global Fund. Ghana Aids Commission, you got millions of dollars from Global Fund, all because of the story I was sharing. A little girl as I was, 23 years, I didn't know much about anything. Now I was so naive. And then you exploited me, did videos about me, got all the millions you wanted to get, and then we are terminating my contract. Every person in Ghana knows that I was a hardworking lady. Everybody in Ghana knew that I was a hardworking lady. And I'm still throwing this challenge to you once again. The Ghanaian journalists, the program we did from 2011, Heart to Heart, that was the title of the program. Heart to Heart program now, Ghanaian journalists, can you go back to the AIDS Commission? Let them account for all the money they spent. Request. Mumbisa say Ghana Aids Commission yaba money joint program na muye no I sika do send am spend here. And then you will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. You will see how much money ended up in people's pockets. Now Africa you see Africa is poor country. There is so much disease in Africa, malaria, tuberculosis, HIV. Then we gather some people, do some documentaries. Near the car brofuno, near Momusika, millions. Nan penifono, no much check, no go. Ghana Youth Commission. They have pocketed money into their pocket. Into money me ye be biano. 1 year pepe. Now your program be. And I meant to me uncle. Upon all the number of schools I'm making in just this program I meant to me uncle. If you need a termination letter, bring me. Sir Joyce, we are sorry. We can't work with you again. No, I'm terminating my contract. A young girl, 23 years old. You've exposed me to the whole world. You've told everybody she has HIV. She's been everywhere. You've done movies about her. You've done documentaries about her. And I'm movie here no. And I'm assuming because I caught initially the mom. Dr. Angela, you are a woman. And to this idea where a year will be banned, Sanka Meya will bar and Calbea Missa. Nobody was ready to work with me because I have said something abominable. HIV nya ade didi agro. Me wie ya. Masum metiko se menko. Esan se mini kamafo. Mini obi obeka masema mama. I became so depressed. When I got that letter that day, I cried. I cried. It got to a point I couldn't do anything. I couldn't work anywhere because nobody was ready to have anything to do with me. I suffered depression for so many years in Ghana. Because they terminated my contract, no money, nothing, no house. And with that 800 cedis that I was receiving for only 1 year, no, is that what made me a millionaire? Ghanaians, are you telling me that 800 cedis now and this is for the mammy, no, and not me, mammy, yes, you can hear now? Now, Uko internet is now typing me dear. Fraudulent AIDS ambassador, thief, liar. Who wants to work with a liar? Who wants to work with a fraudulent ambassador? Me, no. I still decided to move on. And I'm still moving. I am still moving. I am still moving. 1 year later, I'm also metikose menko omuni menye adwuma bio. And I'm going former First Lady, Lordina Mahama. And I'm within a year AIDS ambassador. Asama Mike. Meaning said they will come back to come and lie. Now, baby, Biana, Obesama, Bechan, track to me to Biana. I don't want to curse, Majai. May Kama deal with the I wanted to curse, but I don't want to do it again. Kama will deal with everybody. Enna, I'm going to follow Lordina Mahama. And I'm within a year AIDS ambassador. Former First Lady, Lordina Mahama. Uya me mamia, akamedibe kwa me ho. Uya me busu enia, akamedibe kwa me ho. I can never disrespect you because you have served Ghana before. Your husband, former President John Mahama. I can never disrespect you because you have been a president. Even when people were saying, accusing you, say only me had only me akoda hotel or Dubai inano. I know so only me ye bibiada. But me can say only me and me ni yenti no. Uncle for can be beke bia so. I still came to defend you. I am not a bad person. And I'm a bad and be defending former President Mahama. But me issue ni bad and what did they do for me? Former First Lady, Lordina Mahama. Ya do be your AIDS ambassador to come and do what? How many schools did you go, madam? Madam Lordina, school do what say now call it. This is another Biamichi. A debit to me got 3 schools. Me jina minanso. E kasa 2 hours. Me we am call a different school. Me we am call another school. I go to different churches in a day. Sometimes I do about 4 or 5 programs. Former President John Mahama's First Lady, Lordina Mahama. When you became the AIDS ambassador, how many schools did you go? Did they also do a story about you? Did they say you should come and say you had HIV? Please, I want to know. I knew that I was cheated. So I decided to go to former First Lady. The office was a cantonment. I drove to her office. I wanted to explain to her, say, ex-commission for me and dini me position no ya jiama no. Inti me kwa kobisa and say, madam, wait me aboa me ana because I done a rent mama no. Esu a me ni adwuma bia ye. E na makwaje nkwase a contract. Sebi ye nkwase adwuma na mbe ye no. Me be ye nkwase adwuma inti na obi ehu me say me yarefo. Obi person me be bibi. Inti madam, can you help me please? Me call ye no. Former First Lady Mahama. Ni secretary na me go to in the office na e cantonment no. Inti me koshia ni secretary na me sim person me hu madam. I say, oh Joyce, what is the problem? I mean, no, it's personal. I want to see her. I say, Joyce, anything you tell me, you have indirectly told her. Just let me know. And I come ask them no. And I say, Joyce, can you bring me a letter about what you just told me? And I'm got you a letter and the brain. Former First Lady Mahama, Lordina, I gave you a letter for 1 year. You did not reply me. 2 years, 3 years, you didn't reply me. Midnight office 190. You tell me come. Woman wait for me, and I'm see you and yashi. Me kwa Mahama nankasa. Me throw a letter Flagstaff House. They bia me na Flagstaff House. They bia. Mahama never replied even one letter, so I decided to call him personally. I started calling former President Mahama. With all due respect, I can never insult you. Former President John Mahama, unu wife. President, me friend Mahama phone to friend Mahama. Last minute, in the bodyguard, or my bodyguard be share me. And I said, the ambassador me catch any biano. The bodyguard me say me can't train. Now he will know. And I'm say, thank God. At least, even if Mahama cannot meet me, his bodyguard is coming to meet me. So the bodyguard no buy. Ebe share me. You know, besides, dey asem. And I make come me asem say me nyina ni the Ghana Commission for omu use me hear me videos di come abrofo ejeje hu millions. Edi esum meti kwasa me nko na me nko. And I make come me say me nyina akire. Say me pa omu cho omu mboa me. Me papa page say mo mboa me. And I see you. All the information come on Mahama. Be ene me ne am detail. How many years now? Ene me ne am detail way. Nobody wanted to do anything with me. It got to a point. Me ko pay sika. E ko pay dan bi work ba way. Na me see me ko rent dan work ba way. Good. You go do see on the fear ran no hu me ni ma. Say, hey, you look familiar. And I say Drew. And I meet here dan ka 2 years. Akabe 2 days and me di makwa kwati samini ama akwa kwati na fi ho. E wa na fi ran san friend me say, madam, we cannot have you in this house. Can you come back for your money? And omusan e dey me sika ma me. Do you know why? Who want to live with an AIDS patient in quotes? In quotes. Who want to live with me? Nobody. Who want to live with a scammer? Nobody. Who want to live with a liar? Nobody. I became so lonely in this world that and I'm because me mama kai. Me mama can say program me mama nkoye. And I say me person me ye na me this savior man for. And me na me this approach here me nam hamok promo kra na nkofo kika me hunsem. Obi person obey me kra na ya say ni pan adwen and ben say ni pan I am evil. And NDC for more some more position. NDC for me so friend yakop bompa NDC. NDC should never come to power again. Me bompa yesu ya enu ntino 2016 me busu eni bia ni akọ vote ye. Me busu eni bia ni akọ vote ma NDC. Because they are wicked. Because you know the people you will sleep with and buy houses and buy cars for the girls. But you sacrifice your life in India. Baby. You don't know me. And then Muko opposition, you want to come back. And you think that God is a fool. God is not a fool. No way. God is not a fool. Former First Lady Lordina Mahama. The only who Mahama de year me no. Mo say na wiase nyina sisi amuna na you will not come back. I respect you. I can never insult you. But the other year obi ba no me na nkrofo fin say bia me dia yan wo mi o. No, people think me yan wo mi o. Me free sra na me be hwi asase so ban. Me ni feelings. Me ni akuma. Me ni dofu bia. Me timi na ho a sa girl na emben no. Sa girl na emben no. No problem. Ghana for no problem. Say dem ye nyina wan kai ba ku krampo no problem. Say 800 citizens and na me joy me scammer. Who call internet so I became depressed. More especially last year, Abronya this Becca me give $3 million, you know. Me nya depression koda hospital Eppendorf. Me suye. And I me catch a doctor for and say, I don't want to go back to Ghana. They want me to be deported. And I me catch a doctor for and say, I know that I'm clean. I don't have $3 million. But if they still want to put me in jail, doctor, I want to kill my life. I want to kill myself. Me person me quarter not the Kwansina car family tsunami wu. It is better for me to die in Hamburg than to be in jail. In Zabronya DC. So why show documents be? No one who say ya transfer sikebi with my name. Ya my ye nyame bia kika nyame bia bobom as send sike bia ko shisha account bu na akosi $3 million sir. Me come me papa we wu ami hu ne da. Me come if you busum. Go and look for the documents very well. And go back to that Angela Eladas. And go back to former Lord Namahama who became the ACE ambassador. And let them give you that money. Because that's getting enemy hope. Yes. She's sleeping. Okay, you just hold her. You can put her down, you know. Wait. You can hold her. You don't put her down. She may wake up. Yeah, just hold her. Sabronya this wa ko hwehwe ehu se me di $3 million sir. E bet me no cry say omo di me din akodi sika. It's possible because program na me ye no. Na global fund for. Mo am hwe ma mo nim global fund no. Because I cried, I think I have some running notes. Mo ma me him kakrambra. I think you can put her down. Me assure say they have done their own investigation. And people file investigation. And who say they have given me they have spent $3 million using my name. But at the end, you know, it was 800 cedis. Just 800 cedis so. Omutia only for 1 year. And I say no. I cannot live in Ghana. Na me child there. Me weni monyam. Sa me ko embassy kra na minisi kadodro a. Me nim kwa me fa so me denya visa. Eni dem ntumi me kan kire mo. Ma ko pe visa ne metu kwan. Me kwa brochire me go try na anye yi na me sanko Ghana. Me kwa America me ko try ma ko tena America. Me ye ya anye yi na me sanko back to Ghana. And na me ba Germany me be try for 2 times anye yi na me sanko back. Na me dia koni abasa. Me dia koni abasa. And people for say o me hu say me medicine upon the year me nyina ni sunu me sunu yakoda hospital nyina no 800 cedis for 1 year no yes ye pe match me atum Abronya DC this video no me yeah indirectly for you to get. Go and do your research very well. Go and do your research. Ghana AIDS Commission, they have failed Ghanaians big time. Ghana AIDS Commission, that institution called Ghana AIDS Commission. Sikedia ekos wo ho no. And then Mr. Tremi, you are now the boss. Angela, yeah, NDC call position. Angela, echo you know. Whoa, Mr. Tremi, you know me very well. I hear you match. And now by and I say me son ebe pa mucho. Say mini baby da into mumbwamia. Now I me catch again I said they should pray for me now I have mental problem. No problem. Angela Ella does. I know when you Google my name on the internet, you go YouTube now because I put me there. And then me see me what AIDS. Sorry, HIV. I did cheer me see me need HIV. And then me see me what I did cheer me see me ni. And go for says I get away cry anything. And then me what? Actually me ni be. And then me what? And I saw unim. Angela was the one confusing me. Me pia bonti make I say me ni be bia Ghana for say ye ntia se da so better da yan gi esikedi. Sika be na begidi mon kan kire me. So many years now, almost 10 years now. Yes, Joyce e kronfo. Na so nipa ba ku pekure ni asasi so out to me be kan say me ni Joyce e dili ama ne di misikada. And I said that Joyce are promising me visa. And I said bia Joyce aye bibia e di misika and I say nti yen chinin tun. Who? What do you want to do? Your phone? Nobody. Who can come and tell me say oni mi aye bibi inti ni medini sika? I want somebody me penipa ba ko pe e wa asasi su. Say the mo say me dey kono. Mo say me dey nzana nyankopo ohata sro. Say the America nyankopo akumum no hwe. Nyankopo ohata sro a oni makumum a oni me nipa ban no. Will never let me down. God will never let me down. Na ka mo susu say akamet na Ghana. Akosire sika o street so. But nyankopo amana mba ne sada. Because you know what? So we ni papa now na masasi so a. Me ma me no wonum bia woto. Ewenyu me to amonti ase. Nenye nunye walala. No ejiko. Ose se uye ni papa na se uye papa, koso aye papa. Se ni pa boni ni so no so be di boni an koso ni boni. Ewie ye ni asem no. At the end, we will see who is good and who is bad. I am looking for only one person to come out and say Joyce, any me dili edimisika. We boom edimisika. I want only one person in the whole world. And in yama Google internet is not fraud no. Me po ni pa ba ko po baba kasa me defraud no. And you know ma me. You've heard my story. If you were in my shoes, I'm asking you this genuine question. Yemfani said, fine, truly, I was having a virus. Yemfani sir, se na me wa. Di omude yem na wa anka obeye den. Anka obe kosua ka se uwo. Na obi physical che ni botum. Na wo de okoye adwuma, obi ameso be hwe wenim. Na nka kona koda baby, na esu sa ekom enkum. Will you do it? I am not a fool. No, I can't do that. But one thing I say, you never understood me. So this is what happened. Young, I want to, why? No. I want to play something. Okay? I want to play something. The video I gave you, I have to play it. So kindly give me your phone. Someone here. So this is what happened. It's the former President John Mahama. And then the wife, Rodina Mahama, they took my position and made me homeless. Is this still connected? No. It's not connected to Bluetooth.
Yeah, Bluetooth, but not. You have to choose.
Me bebo video be atrem.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Nti se na me nam abonten na nkrofo tinit no musa o meso a. Ya me show mu din na metwem. Me show mu din na me ko. I'm just doing my thing. Just trying to be happy because as asisu na ewo no. So when you anya din you can never survive the wickedness of human beings. You can never survive the wickedness of human beings. And then my wo according to me stress so. Not even one family to even call to find out say, how is this girl doing. But me nkasa. You understand? Me nkasa. Me any pabonini. No problem. I am evil. No problem. Oh, I won't. No problem. No problem. Let's continue like that. Yeah, your phone is locked. Can you open for me, please? And then there must be in pabonini. In Sabronia DC. $3 million, you know. I bet me I in a crescent, sir, bibi sour. But my country, Sikani Afan Shemin Sim. Me need $3 million. Me the 800 cities. Mom will fix Sikada than 8 million Sikadada. And no need it to America for only 1 year. It got to a point, you know.
The Black Ghana Ace Commission Biano. As I said, Ghana Ace Commission for and the Coco Jevisa man.
No.
Or what?
A comedy demia to the point to say, a bedu baby, no, not former President Mahama, ni brothers nibi, and a mammy scattered to the needy. And it's I told the beer, mean to me, can't want some bonny, because of the new brothers nibi, I am mammy. I'm going to me, mammy scattered to the needy. Now, me trace come with the mammy, and then I look around Jessica was a miminia. Sacrifice, I may sacrifice him, I mean, my Ghana. And yes, the guy did to the needy, and then the idea was a minia, Debbie. Now, so I NDC, more opposition. What's your strength? I hope when my yo be bassy, and the moon see me depression, and the moon see nipa rejecting me, and the mean to a people of a baby. Nini na no me say any bibia. Life must go on. Muye when ya is, you know how many years now? Nipa do na a boom me kai bibia ni etin ko bi boom me say me ko jare ejare. I must say Debbie who is. I must say Debbie ya man jare. Ya boom me. Now go back to that house. Only nipa do ewu feel. I am not saying I killed them or no way. But me person mo chere mo say Nyankopon kwa ni nipa onim da obi abi free asase so. So I'm so grateful to God for the gift of life. Even post nipa person obebe me krana. Me name Babella. Say bibini bia person obebe me krana nya hwe. Abrofo ho, they are also humans. So bia fi say me nipa boni ni ntino bia mbe me all because of my sacrifice. Nyankopon hata suri a onyi nipa mano. Onye yiyimu no. He is there for me. Now what me ahwe nyame anim. Former President Mahama and no wife. What me ahwe nyame anim ayje me boni anti say na mo ko opposition na mo ni na John Dumelo. I don't even want to talk about him. Me be both video am ahwe. What Abronya DC is talking about?
The Black Ghana Ace Commission Biano. As I said, Ghana Ace Commission for and the Coco Jevisa man. Or quan per diem. Number of days you will be dear. Enyinano as I saw mine Ghana and the Famuka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewu kroma netenamu. Uchimu say Adana yedema ministers near Swafo EBA no mu yi ba man because of so your ambassador Ghana Ace Commission. And what you bosome near Tiana Kakama. Akatua na yede eye pa emu hwam no no aba bonten
akatua na odi eche hu akatua no
enyina
na yesen
25,000 odi
25,000 Ghana cedis can 250 million
50 million and some to home per diem
go to kwana 250 million. That is what he's saying.
Per diem near $12,000.
I know a blaster player
no waje say yes we HIV ambassador na ntokwa bisi and on the all publish on Facebook no not in Crawford na or no more can bo mu bo or mine Ghana chrono ye NDC 1.4 na or babu bo mudini. And Tibre Bass and Ness say or mu terminate the contract na
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no war with Ghana Ace Commission no. And so mu terminate no mu terminate we and say a quan of us wo e ko 4D document. And the kwaji say aduma no. No mind Ghana or two kwan ye bono ka. Frimera oye aduma na be semfie mi ensantamu no. O mind Ghana o fa na kwantuo na electricity ne dan o mo han ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana. O check ni nyina ne na kwantuo ne ne bibia ne pe de ma. E ye close to $3 million. Until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ne so de bakroma. Ye benya hospitals binum wo ha. Omuhiampa anameboa yebenya ye security for hia car
someone said the Abronya DC ka someone who sika oboboye I was saw a document me ni me benya na document ni free Nyase bia me stress e be chi me tina me esa video we. But me pese Ghana for nyina ehun. Se da chiri me do Ghana ho, near some inside me ko she prisoner. Video we be di madanse e. Se na me be do Kotoka airport. Na end MPP for some insem. E de me ko to prisoner. Video we be di madanse e. People go bio. Abonya this is on no e di echiri akohwehwe. Akohwehwe sika mi medi. Yon. Your phone is locked again. Can you please open for me? I want to play some video. Thank you.
The Black Ghana AIDS Commission.
As
I said, Ghana AIDS Commission for and the Cocoa visa man or Kwan per diem number of days you obey DA in Yinano as I saw mine Ghana and the Fahunka. Your man a 4-bedroom apartment. Ewu kuro mama netena mu. Utimu say adana ye de man ministers ni atwafo ebie na omu yi ba akoma no because omu so ya ambassador Ghana AIDS Commission. Eno achi bosome ne ye tua ne kakama akatua ne ye de eye pa emu hwam. No no aba bonten.
Akatua na oje chehu akatua no.
Enyina
na yesai
25,000. Or
25,000 Ghana cedis. Can it 250 million?
50 million. And some are to home per diem or 2 kwana, or 2 coin back one. Or banana per diem near $12,000.
I am a blaster player.
No idea. Say, yes, way HIV ambassador. Na, and Tokobisi. And only the all publish on Facebook, no, sing Crawford. Or no more cambo, mubo, or mine Ghana, Corononi, and DC 1.4 na, or Bobo Mudini. And Tibra Bass are necessary or more terminate. The contract now
ambassadorial appointment
and contract no war with Ghana AIDS Commission and so mo terminate no mo terminate we na say e kwan of us wo e ko for the document e de kwaji sa aduma no man Ghana o tu kwan ye bo no ka frimira oye aduma no be semfie mi ensantem no o man Ghana o fa na kwantuo ne electricity ne danya o mo han ye 4-bedroom lease o mo ye de to so de mana o checking in na kwantu ni ne bibia na ne pay de ma e close to $3 million until o quantify sa sika we sa $3 million ni so de bakroma ye benya hospitals binum wo ha omuhiampa ana meboa ye benya ye security fo hia ka omu de be ye aduma ye bu koba bi school dane omu tetifam na o maye dey o matwere ye betim dia ye sa ne ma na obi ebe kaso me na ndisi fo bi na ka bo mo awi o man Ghana.
Yo, my video no. Abronya say me need ndisi fo na ka bo mo wi o man Ghana. Okay, have it.
I have to go now.
Okay. You can dress up when you're ready to go. She's sleeping now. Yes. Yeah, she's sleeping, so you can go now. Thank you so much. Abronya this in our cano. I've seen many ndisi fo na ka bo mo. Me no man can bo, omo you sue me. After this video, I know there are some good journalists out there who still work to make sure that they try to hold our leaders accountable. Dig into the issue. I only sacrificed. Sike bia ifra brofo ni ho ba ye bia no. E ko ndisi fo ho. Omo you sue me only for the videos. And I'm Coladrin, 23 years old. She said, I'm 33. Me fear say me nyina na me hu say no Joyce, why you kwasi ade? Nkwasi ejuma pa na koye ye. Na me ka say debi. I want to rewrite my story. And I'm go for some monti ase no. And no na mo some monti ase no. Say my baba kan say na ma sam sister man so monti ase. Na ka me nya den. Na ka die na ka mo pese me ye. Die mpa na ka mo pese me ye. Sa video ya bronya this year ye. Media church of God for this say oh e betimi an no kresa okwa e bechi watum e bi say oh ebia na yenchi wuntum. I cannot base my hopes on ebia obi say ebia e bechi watum obi say ebia yenchi wuntum na atam ko ne achi mi tum nso e na upon the master suffer was assist nyina Mr. Koda prison was sika former president Mahama and the wife Lordina Mahama edintiana any Angela we dintiana na me Koda home prison no way. Abronya DC. I am calling you tonight. Yeah. Thanks, We'll talk. Thanks for coming. Now to me, And I make me down home prison. Young, whatever decision you take, let me know.
Huh?
Whatever decision you take tonight, whether you are coming back or not. Okay. Then to obey this Sikano. Me na me down home prison. Obey this Sikano. Me Joyce. Upon all the amount of money na me stand for that prison. Miss Ramwa, Abronya DC. Go back into the matter. Macatro, na me save you of Fidelity Bank. Go to the bank. Ukwa, any journalist who want to know about how much money I made from NDC, go, and I'm ready to allow my bank manager to let you go through all the money I have received from AIDS Commission.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I will let you know every money that I got. Because my bankers are there. All the money that came was coming through the bank, Fidelity Bank. 800 cedis, 800 cedis, 800 cedis every month, sir. 1 year. 1 year. And I'm terminating contract. And I'm say the free global fund. The money they wanted to get from global fund, they have gotten it. They have gotten it. Sometimes I blame myself for some of the insults because I joke. I joke too much. Tracy Bachas and we buy it. Me the joke is say I grow. But in reality, NDC has never done anything for me. Mean to me, some for that prison. I will be sick with you. Former first lady, please. I am on my knees. Former first lady, please. If MPP is asking for the AIDS money, can you go and give it back to them? For my sake, can you please go and give the money back to them? Ghana AIDS Commission, can you talk to Abronya DC and tell him that as a small girl, you were paying me only 800 cedis, but not what he said I was paid? Can somebody do that for me? Please? Any serious journalist? If truly I got $3 million, are you going to sit down there for me to go with $3 million just like that, without asking questions? If it is true that I have $3 million, are you going to keep quiet for me to just spend the money? And if the money is not with me and it is inside Lordina Muhammad's pocket, are you going to sit down to let her go with the money? Because AIDS Commission, they are not doing any job there. They are not doing anything. When I became the ambassador, me na me call a program. TVC program in Yam, me na me call a me, I have been on KSM show for more than 5 times. TV3, everywhere. Me na me call a programs. Apart from schools, no madi letter, the AIDS Commission, they are not doing anything there. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission. Ghana AIDS Commission, I'm using microphone sex, I'm using condom near there. I once posted on my Facebook, say prior honey ho. Ba, okay me. Sabrina na bisa na mini smartphone, na phone nkiti bia na dey cram. Ba's girlfriend was in the Ghana AIDS Commission, one of the bosses. Ba, and then usi wa worry. Last time I was talking about it, nobody even commented about it. Dr. Tremi, Mr. Tremi. When I was in microphone, use condom, no. The small girls will be sleeping with, no. Do you use condom? Mr. Tremi. And then usi wa Jessica. Because the foolish Joyce, me Jimmy, me and me home buy, and I'm use me. And I'm winning videos, and I'm going to Jessica. And also when Jessica, you know. Me buy AIDS Commission hobe pam oche bia mo enfi me. You ko grant interview so when ya na ko grant interview a. Wo ka sem papa bia say Ghanaian should pray for Joy, she has mental problem. Me or mental problem. Then nobody should take it serious. AIDS Commission for no mo go na mo so mo ko da mo use condom. Dr. Tremi na say mo use condom no. Onu ko use condom ti mo dog no. It's such a pity. If you are Senegal, and then who see this way you are, ma? You see karma? Do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is karma? Efia, do you know what is called karma? Efia. They say, where she me that, but only me kasada. Now so, as somebody buy, me pa mahama chow, some mama me baby in keke. Omo pe sika be ma me mpo na me fanye business. Omo pe se single room dan kra omo pe ma me na me ntine mu no. Ah me su ma no. Na onya me ho adaje. E kwa ji sika free mahama na ho. Sika anka wo se de ma me mpo na me tumi de ye bibi kakra no. E na wo san kwa ji sika. Na go tina UTV. E di ma tempoto because what buy na also. Enne usu we hu nyansa nti hu ni NDC. Nti usu ma. Abai de botechi na no na de bebo ba. Efia abai de botechi no eno na de bebo ba. Usi me e kronfo na me pese ma ha mama misika. No problem. Sama na me ninam na me ye documentaries no. Ye chucha me ho documentaries, ye chucha pictures, ye billboard. Ah, there's a magic baby so popular with some silly disease. Became popular with silly disease. Ah, me say me deji amanfo. Ah, me say me dia me you say me a second Jesus. Ah, amanfo winti no. Me kwa go sua de na ma be kire o ma de. Na omu yi mi ma ya. Na me ncha de, o de so mo to dan ma wo. O de akotina radio so na didi nkrofo atema. Ni ato dan ama. Na me na me bom me di me oni pedia bo afori. En 1990 villages. I thought they be cry me kwa program me nya hotel limpo. Mitumi daka mu ma de echi. Na Ghana for so mun kan ba pe bi amaye na me a fraud. Enne besi ne mo hu HIV advert ba kumpo TV so. Besi ne age program ben pa na age commission for betimi akasa e free say drugs is free no. Yetimi aye bibi papa bi. No, let me know. Ghana. Master ni ba e besi ne no. Mo tumi ehu HIV program even back up of TV so. No. It can't happen. No. Nipa na nyakopo yi na odi ne ho ba for real no. Mu yi ni mai. Nti mu yi ni mai no. Mu nsensi fom. Sikana na nka wo se mu nya no. Sisi ano abrofo no kwa mu mfi mu bio. Nti program no etumi nkoso. Otumi nya me bone na nkoso akeke o. Mini obi na ma mi free makuma mu. Age commission mini omu ye adwuma no. Hey. The technical director who was called Dr. Richard Amenya. Dr. Richard Amenya. Doctor, you remember what the email you sent me? That email, it's still I have it. I became so poor, Me be here, mami ko swear Uber. I was driving Uber. Forget about Tracy Bachi, video pan na me no. Obi an say na me Uber driver. Uber for back Ghana no. Uber, yedi Uber back 2016. I was the first lady and I'm driving Uber. I was the first lady they train and then Grofo be brave, you see a man be brave driving Uber. And I must say they are strong, Me the first person me driving Uber. I feel me open to me friend, me to me request. Because funny pana. Nani pana show me di or say, are you not Joyce? I'm say yes. Say, oh, what happened to you? Why are you driving? You are driving Uber. And I'm say yes, I have to survive. With me fair will be Uber. Share Uber, I'm go Uber office for. Go to Uber. Go through their whatever, their records. Check who was the first Uber driver. First female Uber driver. I am May Joyce. Now my check. Now this guy say me who me crown who say me. Now former ace ambassador. You use me millions of dollars. I feel like the medical crime in be. Now me call rented single room do Dakuma. Kokompe Dakuma Fadama. Dakuma Fadama. How me call rented die? A whole single room. I me driving Uber sir. And people who live in Fadama they know me. People who live in Fadama, Dakuma Fadama, they know me. Me your baby I laugh, I dance, me penije. But some me bema kwa da because of say come dem no. Say bema me pen no na me dem ho kwa come so me ndano ma biska na come drive Uber. And come drive Uber. It's me driving Uber sir for so long. Me driving Uber so na me visa on my passport mo visa. That visa makes me dey to na one thing people don't know is that the fact that you have visa no doesn't mean say so to kwanya obenya assistant we be akon. It's not easy. Me visa me to me to kwan koba. Na was me driving me Uber. Me drive sir. As you do baby no. First na Uber drive here like see now when you request. What to me for be. Ube see the pana request aba. Ubesi nipa na request aba. But se bedu bedu na fi cast na e bebre. Ubetimi afa nipa baako. U drop nipa na ubetimi agina baby sa be say one makra no bi amfrɛ o. He na bu ma be mu na me jai say me drive Uber bi. I come with Demia to the point say the year was it when 2018. Me the two Facebook say I want to kill myself because I'm tired. Me to me and sacrificing me whom be ye adwuma say. Na fe ohia. Na me nya obafo. Me nya obafo as am me dress na me go dina circular. Sabi two liar. Anka me nya be ma mo ni be dama me sika be no nya me lifestyle. Me ni so ohye. Me pasa me run me home ni na was depression. But ya training me. Say me here sika me ma be ma ni me nda no ma sika. We are my boyfriend can now be stressed and my sika me bupe fool because I want to have my own money. I want to be in charge of my own life. That is how I live my life and that is me. That is what makes me me. And I'm more opposition to when you break mupe power. Now I'm yesi na twin. And I'm me music director betray me. Fact, Hasha Studio. No one you be a tattoo. I'll say, you dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. I pidgin English. You dey bend down to see my nash. You forget say another man they see your own. NDC. You dey bend down to see my nash. Muosika they talk that Emma Tracy Boache. Muosika they talk cars Emma Slay Queens. Muosika they talk car Emma can say Miss Bernie one. Now so mu ni sika mude mama ace ambassador sacrifice Emma munye sika. Muosika they talk car any dying Emma Slay Queens. But Joyce am I here na me na mo no bi embu mi no. Mu sika de ma Joyce. Or sacrificing who Emma Global Fund. Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Global Fund. E bagana. Ebe hu ejuma na me ye. Omo call ye na mo call invite me. E be throw letters send me. Say they want me to meet Bill Gates. I still have the letter here. Me to me letters in Chineo. Me primary school, me books cried as social me bag moha. Me primary school. Me works am I me I'm proud of what I do all the time. Primary school, JSS, certificate in that social me bag moha. I don't throw my letters away. Letters are Global Fund for sending me. Emma me call a Japan embassy. Or cantonment. I call G visa. Almost sending me tickets. Almost tickets. Over 20,000 cities tickets. 200 million. First class tickets. So me share Bill Gates. Now me back the challenges Africa is facing in terms of health and education. Because of say Bill Gates, can say Global Fund, I invited Angela. I don't know why they didn't choose a minister or any other person who is higher than me. But small girl, and I'm choosing him because I'm not who me programs are me here. I'm first class ticket. There was a time I posted my passport with my visa inside the Japan visa I got. I posted it here. Nipa na ocho say I should bring a letter no. Mumu say me I don't lie. I don't lie about my age. Me call government school. Me but nothing braggy. I'm not like the Slay Queens. Obi bet I say I went to so and so school. Me who akra na onim sa school no. I don't do that. Me call government school. Anything I do, I talk about it. So I will not come and lie. For what? They sent me a letter. And can you go share Bill Gates? I will talk you. Share after this video, I will make a screenshot of the ticket. It is still in my email. Ticket from this sending me through email. I will make a screenshot of my ticket to meet Bill Gates. A whole Bill Gates. And can then so we invite each person from each African country. Now you choose me Joyce. Say me go share Bill Gates. Me sumi wanu e de kasa. Na kami ko kasa wi an kan bisika Ghana benya. E na Angela Ella das ya Ghana is commission. Me nim the poka chrom say me betu kan ko Tokyo. E na mo free Global Fund for try mo. Just 3 days to my flight, you know. And na Global Fund for free me catch me say they are sorry. Now what it is their stories being that they don't think they want to they don't think that they want to continue with me. And I'm almost saying me chance of meeting Bill Gates. I started then my depression because the way I'm not excited, you know. Because I was very young and to go and meet such a person, I was so happy. They just bought everything for me. They will say, Shabre is some for and ye rade. Senyagupon, ya ebo. That's what Kasa Nipas Messi is a great person now, eh? Osia Quine. Me utmini Osia Quine, my brother mu. Osia Quine. Ubeko. I will suffer, but I'll still get to the top. That is me. That is the spirit I have. My spirit, you know. My spirit, I know a day to the extent that I am unstoppable. Just a me. I am unstoppable unless I am dead. And to go and meet Bill Gates, you know. And this is for ya because you're inviting ministers into they spoil my chance. And I'm betting if I'm soon, sir. Me soon, yes. Now I'm demanding me in America. Angela, you stopped me from meeting Bill Gates, but you didn't kill me. You were not able to take my soul. The zeal power in me, that burning fire, you were not able to take it away from me. You thought I was going to die of hunger. But no matter how broke I was, me ko bisa visa as a tourist visa, yeah, the mommy. For so many years, nobody refused me visa. Even though sena me nye my papa biya. That is grace. It is called what? Grace. But what doom be on me swear? You can stop me. You can try to destroy me, but you cannot kill me. Never say die until the bones are rotten. You cannot take my life. No. You can never take my life. You can stop me, but that fire in me, you cannot quench it. That fire in me, joy. That what makes me joy is that she's controversial. Me not controversial. Me you need be able to see me. I am me to the bone. Nti efia nega. Ukutu ya na wo hwa metu we see Mahama ne wife enyame. Se makakoye nkwasi adwuma is ambassador. Nkwasi adwuma etua me 800 cedis. 8 million kani 8 million. Nkwasi adwuma me koye ye no. Me betina radio so se me ni sika o, me ni baby da o, Mahama boami o. Na nkwasi ade na betina YouTube di matem poto. Na me mami sumi ya. Enne efia enne o betina Facebook ye Facebook live ese den wo di dia disi fatem wonye hu hwe efia wonye hu hwe. You can go and borrow all the cars and be showing off say it you are who ni hute efia woni hwe me pa mo choma wo frɛ me who know say me ye live. Don't call me because I'm not going to pick up. Oh yeah, make too. Stop calling me, please. I beg you. Me betra anya form of anana. Obiani say me if you see the kind of videos I do about NDC and MPP, we about dream bar. Most of me support you obia. I do those things for fun. I don't support any political party. In Tabronya DC, this is my story. This is my story. So because of 800 cedis you know, we see and chim into more, mate. But they are saying they are too public. Anybody who is interested in the $3 million, you know, go to the AIDS Commission. Go and find out how much money they paid me, and they'll come and arrest me. They fear. So I was saying, I go yes in a teaching. The omudi yem no say dia yo. And then I'm to show video. With a fake account, I'm show video. Because be a fake account. Because I'm person show. Because be a fake account. And I'm show video na to the end. And I'm saying, say na dia yes sir. Inti say na dia yo yes sir. If ya, inti adia yo yes sir. And I'll be yo nyonko ba. Wo de yo nyonko ba. Ma obi ametina Facebook and bisa me sebi. Mo bi bisa me kwasi asem. Mishedapa, I'm not even reading your comment because I can see some silly comments. Obian himself my wolf for me, boy. Somebody himself me one more for. Did you ever see me with 4 pregnancies? No. Did you ever see me getting pregnant 4 times? No. But say me can't say me one more for. No say mujidi ye. Mujidi. Say bibi amu bia mujidi. And you know, Anything I do not come and say anything. And Ella does. You made a fool out of me. Now if it's about tonight's commission on forever. No, I friend me phone so. Joyce, go back and say you have HIV. Now Jimmy. Now my zangoka. And then it's me granting interview. And then you see I don't have any disease. 1 week later, now my baby from me see me wo. Now me boa. And na there's a mood Jimmy me say I say me. I'm moving say me Jimmy won. Me Jimmy here. I think say me banner sorry. On soon ye dear but was sorry. Into me pamucho. Me the video no baby here. This is my story. When you see me in town, I'm not begging you to be my friend. You know what? Say whatever you want to say about me. The mo person mu ye me bia na mo nye. Why? Share and say bia mo person mu katu musu bia mo kanto me so. Yeah, me is so depressed. I started going completely naked on Facebook. No bia nim dia na me come. I am not here to ask for you to have pity on me. Na kupon kwa no be hu me mobo. Nye nipa na be hu me mobo. Enti no, de bia mu hu okroma. In someone else enfatan, mu fanya me why? Go on. I will not beg anybody to be in my life. Neither am I here to ask for pity. Na kupon kwa ne hu mobro. Na kupon kwa no bia obe hu me mobo wasashi so. If not for Mr. Kofi Amwa. Dr. Anya man sikasa of Ambremia 2018 na. Me yeso san kana mi ti abroche ya. Omo dis kan bre me mendio. Me ni obi anu wo chiri me no obi che bisika. Se me di ni ham. I think about tomorrow. Upon the me fe mu nyina no. If there is anything you learn about me, it is how I try to make myself happy no matter the situation. If you have some problems, and did that. We are all praying that coronavirus will end. But nobody knows what is going to come after corona. And life is too short. The problems are unending. The problems are never going to end. If you have some problems in today, mean soon, I will always be happy. Because that is me. Bye.